This session is in continuity to our previous discussions on creating up charts in Excel. And in this session, we learn about how to create up stacked area charts in Excel. Now, from our previous discussion on area charts, we have seen that using multiple series in the same chart could be of a great problem because of the following reason, as it is quite apparent that one series has the capacity of completely eclipsing the other series in the behind. Now, is there a solution to this? Well, Excel provides us with the concept of a stacked area chart, and before we discuss more about it, let's see how is it made. So we go on to the insert tab, go on to the area button over here, click on the stacked area chart over here, and there you go, our problem solved. Now by using a stacked area chart, the values of one of the charts is placed over the another, and like we discussed it from our previous discussions on creating up stacked line charts, uh, this is pretty much the same. So this outer periphery for the red area chart is just like the red line chart for product B, and the blue periphery represents the line chart for product A, and with the below portions of both the charts being completely filled up with their respective colors. Now, to estimate what is the value of this point, that is what is the value of product B for January, you need to add up the value of product A, which is being represented by blue color, to the value of B, which is being represented by red in color. So you get a value of approximately 20,000 in this, and that is the case. The red stacked chart is actually giving you approximate value of 20,000 in this. To know the real value between the two, just subtract this number, subtract this number from this number. You will get the value of the product B's sales in January. Now we can test our hypothesis for other months also. What if we wanted to see how much was the sales for month of March? In this case, you can see that product A, which is being represented by blue color, is getting a value of 17,801. To get the value of the peak of value B, all we need to do is we need to add the value of B to the previous one, and we will get a value of the peak of the product B. Now mathematically calculating, it is 17,800 plus 16,400 comes out to be somewhere around 34,000, which is in fact the case. 34,000 is the actual value which is being represented over here. So although this stacked area charts solves your purpose of making both the charts completely visible to the human user, but it creates an additional problem that we will have to calculate the individual values of product B, or the stacked chart, by subtracting the lower value from the upper one. So this is all about creating up stacked area charts in Excel. Thank you for watching.